5 distinct integers are chosen from 1 to 10. And 5 distinct integers are chosen from 11 to 20. No two of the 10 chosen numbers differ by exactly 10. What is the sum of the 10 chosen numbers? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Line the numbers up in 10 pairs. Each low number k, from 1 to 10, is paired with the number k plus 10 in the high group. So 1 pairs with 11, 2 with 12, and so on, up to 10 and 20. The rule that no two chosen numbers differ by exactly 10 means that from any pair, we can pick at most one of its two numbers. We must pick 5 lows and 5 highs. Say we choose these 5 low numbers. Their 5 partners are now off limits. So the 5 highs we pick must be exactly the numbers in the other 5 columns. Now add them up. Call the sum of the chosen low numbers S. The 5 chosen highs are 10 plus each of the 5 remaining indices. So they add to 5 tens. That's 50. Plus 55 minus S. Because 1 through 10 totals 55. That is 105 minus S. Now the total. S plus 105 minus S. The S cancels, leaving 105. No matter which numbers we picked, the sum of the 10 chosen numbers is always 105.